creature. Oh, oh, fucking hell!
You better listen to me or I'm gonna punch you in that... What?
Ready? Can you jump? Good girl. Spin. Good girl.
Never sneak up on a male peacock.
Oh, okay. Odin, no. Oh no, you're falling off, Richard. Flirt.
And this is what happens when a peacock can't see you, so you pinch the butt.
Kevin! It's nighttime, not honk time.
He's searching for her.
You be nice to my husband, please?